Example problem 3 reads, what is the energy of a chemical sample weighing 5.47 grams? The equation that we're going to use for this problem is E equals mc squared, where E is energy measured in joules, m is mass measured in kilograms, and c is the speed of light. And so again, that's going to equal 3.0 times 10 to the 8 meters per second. So we're being asked to calculate energy. And so it's going to be a straight line equation. E equals the mass, which is 5.47 grams. However, we need it in units of kilograms. So we do have to do a quick conversion. It's going to be a one-step conversion. One goes to the thing with the prefix, and the metric system constant goes to the base unit. And for kilo, it's 10 to the third. So grams cancel, and you are left with 0.00547 kilograms. And so that would go in here, 0.00547 kilograms times 3.0 times 10 to the 8th meters per second squared. Very important to remember to square C in this problem. And so when you put that into your calculator, you will get an E of 4.923 times 10 to the 14 joules. Let me know if you have any questions about example problem 3.